Let's pick up the top 5 sales inquiries to be closed from the previous demo. I can see here that Altinova put in a large sales inquiry that I want to follow up on. Looking at the details, this could be an interesting business opportunity for us. However, our customer is based in a country with a lot of currency swings. Processing it could be a risk. This is where AI agents come in. They help us act in dynamic situations like this. Let's proceed by calling the Accounts Receivable agent to check on the customer. The agent will fetch and list all overdues and dispute cases to get a better understanding of the customer's payment history. This is a good overview, but wouldn't it be better if we could extend the agent to include additional checks? Let's switch over to Joule Studio and SAP Build to extend the agent. Using Agent Builder, we can now extend ready-to-use Joule agents. We will now create a new project. From the menu, we will select the AI agent and Joule skill as our project type. We will give it a name. We'll review the settings, and we'll click Create. Now we can add an agent extension to our empty project. From the library of ready-to-use agents, we will then select the Accounts Receivable agent and add it to our project. Now we can add new tools. You can think of these as little helpers that make our agent even more powerful. For example, we will add a document for the order handling policy. We'll also give it instructions for processing. This grounds the agent in business context and ensures reliable outcomes and informed decision-making. We can also add pre- and post-reasoning skills to our agent. For example, we have a custom Joule capability in place to fetch currency exchange rates. We can also give it additional instructions to feed live data to the agent for calculating the exchange rate risk. Now it's time to test our new extension. So let's switch on over to test mode and check our Accounts Receivable agent extended with superpowers. I'll prompt again for a check on Altinova and reference the latest sales inquiry. The new tools are getting executed, and here we can see in the summary that the order policy is now being considered, and we can also see the foreign currency risk is also displayed in the table. On the right, this is the timeline, and this is where the real power for you all comes in. This is that unified, transparent view of the entire execution flow. This is a transparency you all asked for.